If you have a kimchi and some pork, you already have what Koreans use to make real kimchi fried rice at home. It looks so simple, but tastes better than you'd think. Let me show you. Slice the pork belly thinly like this. It cooks faster and goes well with the kimchi. Pork belly or pork shoulder both work. A little fat makes kimchi fried rice taste better. Chop the kimchi into small pieces. Well-fermented kimchi gives a deeper flavor when stir-fried. Put the pork in a preheated pan without oil and cook over medium heat. When the fat starts to melt, add about 1 cup of kimchi, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If your kimchi is too sour, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Add 2 tablespoons of kimchi juice for color and richness. For color and flavor, add a half tablespoon of gochugaru. Keep stir frying until the moisture is mostly gone. Now add about 2 bowls of rice. Cold rice works fine. Don't mash it. Just gently loosen it. When it turns red and glossy, it's almost done. Turn off the heat. It's already good as it is. If you like it cleaner and simple, push the rice to one side, add a little oil, and fry 2 eggs in the middle. Sunny side up works well, but mixing the egg into the rice also tastes good. A sprinkle of kim flakes adds a different layer of flavor. Do you prefer it with a fried egg on top or just as it is? Try with the kimchi and rice you already have at home. Let me know how it turns out in the comments. See you in the next video.